education for next generation. I am Sravanti introducing you to the class of chemistry, and the topic is chemical reactions and equations. We know we all are very much familiar with the reactions or the changes which are taking place in our day-to-day life, like the growth of a plant or a tree, or the curdling of a milk, or sunrise and sunset. All these changes which are taking place around, these are categorized into two types. One is a physical change and a chemical change. The changes which are observed in our day-to-day life are of two types. One is a physical change and the other one is a chemical change. Now, in terms of chemistry, we consider these changes as the reactions. The physical changes like sunrise is again getting converted to sunset, or summer season is getting converted to winter season or rainy season. Now, the chemical change, if I take the hydrogen when reacts with oxygen, the two gases when they react with each other, it gets converted in the form of water. Now, here a new component is formed from two different components. It is called as a chemical change. Now, if you go for the other reaction like methane, a gas, when reacts with another gas like oxygen, a new component is obtained, that is carbon dioxide and water. See or look at this example. In terms of simple color variations, a pink color solution when reacts with a green color solution, now you observe the changes which are taking place over here. The pink color solution, when it is reacting with a green color solution, it is getting converted to a purple color solution. Now, the change which is observed here with respect to the color is a physical change. Now, there is no component which is obtained from this is a physical change. In a chemical change, new components are obtained. In a physical change, no new component is obtained. Now, let us take example of some new substances like sodium sulfate when reacts with barium chloride, the reaction is taking place between the two. A new component is obtained, giving rise to sodium chloride plus barium sulfate. Now, because the barium sulfate is insoluble, it is giving rise to a substance which is called as precipitate. A chemical reaction, in terms of theory, if I say, you can say directly sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride giving rise to sodium chloride plus barium sulfate. Now, see here, this is a lengthy process. I am saying sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride to give rise to sodium chloride and barium sulfate. But writing in this manner, it is a lengthy process consuming much time. You cannot understand how many atoms of sodium are participating, or how many atoms of sulfate is participating, or how many atoms of barium are participating over here. Now, that is why, to give you a clear information,